Thank you for installing the application. Just a few setup steps remain. Click the Install button. Enter your API key and subdomain. This checkbox controls whether the rule applies to new or updated tickets. Click Validate to complete the setup. Now, set up the ticket rule configuration. Admins can select the required group and role, and then choose which ticket fields should be hidden or disabled based on the rule. Ticket fields often include dependent and drop-down fields, which play a crucial role in ticket operations. With this setup, admins can now define rules not only for the fields themselves but also for specific values within these fields, ensuring precise control over how tickets are managed and processed. Click the Install button to complete the installation and apply your ticket rule configurations. Now, you can view the application rules in action. The fields you configured are disabled or hidden. You can also add more fields as needed, without affecting other non-essential fields, ensuring a smooth and non-disruptive ticket experience. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your continued support.